Hello, Carlos Rosario students. In this video, we are going to learn how to open the Remind application using your iPhone. You have received a text message from your teacher with the code 81010. You're going to continue to text. You're going to reply with yes. You're almost done. Now you're going to reply with your birthday. You're going to start with the year, the month, and the date. In this case, it is 1999, December 31st. This is an example. Save the name of the class owner. In this case, it is your teacher. It will help you faster to identify text messages from your teacher using Remind. And it also helps so that you don't miss out on important information. You have opened the first gate to a successful online class with your teacher. Congratulations. In the next video, we will learn how to download the app on your iPhone. See you then.